Prospectr. Your ticket to effortless prospecting. Imagine a world where AI does all the heavy lifting, sorting through thousands of businesses in an instant to find those desperately needing your services. No more manual work, no more guesswork, just pure, efficient lead generation. Welcome to a happier, more productive, and gratifying prospecting experience. Let's compare the old prospecting methods versus using Prospectr. Step 1. Identify potential leads. Manually search Facebook pages, groups, and posts to identify potential leads. Step 2. Filter leads. Manually filter through the identified leads, painstakingly and often wrongly determining which ones are the most promising based on their needs and your services. Step 3. Reach out to leads. Manually reach out to each lead individually through Facebook or other communication channels, wasting too much time. Step 1. Identify potential leads. Let AI automatically sort through thousands of business pages, finding only those needing your services urgently. Step 2. Filter leads. Use Prospectr's advanced AI algorithm to filter and select only the premium leads. The software does this automatically, saving you time and effort. Step 3. Reach out to leads. Use Prospectr to directly reach out to your leads through text, phone, or email, all from the same interface. This streamlines the process, making it more efficient and effective. Prospectr automates the prospecting process, making it more efficient and less time-consuming. By fully utilizing this tool, you can significantly increase your client base and reduce prospecting costs. Check out all the features inside Prospectr. Feature 1. Real-time AI-powered lead discovery engine. Boost your prospecting game with our real-time lead discovery engine, powered by AI and designed to sift through the noise and hand you a goldmine of leads. With up-to-the-minute AI-evaluated info straight from Facebook, you're always one step ahead, targeting businesses actively needing social media marketing. No more manual searches or outdated data. Stay ahead of the curve and beat your competition every time. Feature 2. AI-enhanced lead enrichment. Why settle for the basics when you can turn your bookmarked leads into super detailed profiles? Our artificial intelligence-enhanced lead enrichment system jumps in when you tag a lead, automatically filling up its database with all the vital stuff like contact numbers, customer reviews, and even page rankings. It's like having your research squad, but turbocharged and fast. Feature 3. AI Prospect Scoring System. No need to stress over guesswork or spending endless hours analyzing potential leads. Our AI Prospect Scoring System takes the hassle out of evaluation. Using super smart AI algorithms, it dives into loads of data and gives you a comprehensive assessment, so you can see which prospects are hot. With this kind of insight, you'll focus your energy on leads practically begging to be converted, saving time and boosting your ROI. Feature 4. Universal AI Widget. Our Universal AI Widget is not just a feature, it's a game changer. With a singular dashboard that centralizes your marketing efforts, you can draft custom outreach campaigns, whip up proposals, mail those cold emails, and generate report text snippets on the fly. But we didn't stop there. This widget has AI capabilities baked right in, turning it into a versatile tool that adapts to your specific needs. Create, ask, suggest, or improve, all without leaving the Prospectr app even for a second. Feature 5. Rapid keyword and geolocation search. Introducing a search feature that's as dynamic as your business needs. Enter your target profession and location, and generate a list of leads tailored to your specifications in minutes. It's like tossing a net into a sea of potential, reeling in prospects practically waving their hands for your services. It's not just a search, but a laser-guided missile aimed at your market bullseye. Feature 6. Exhaustive Lead Data Suite. Get all the nitty-gritty details about each lead with our Exhaustive Lead Data Suite. We hand over all the vital stuff, business names, addresses, phone numbers, and the juicy page stats. Armed with this comprehensive info, your pitches can be super tailored and compelling, making your prospects feel like you've practically read their minds. Feature 7. Desktop calls via Twilio integration. Simplify your workflow with our integrated Twilio desktop calling feature. Make clear calls directly from the Prospectr interface, no need to switch apps. It's like your phone and prospect list becoming roommates, making your outreach tasks smooth and productive. Feature 8. One-click email outreach. Ditch the email hassle for good. Prospectr's one-click email outreach feature hooks you up with SMTP to shoot off personalized emails straight from the app. No more messing with lead lists or copy-pasting addresses. Just one click, and you're in their inbox, making your mark where it counts. Feature 9. Social Reviews Insight. Ever wanted to get the vibe before walking in? Our Social Reviews Insight lets you do just that. Gain immediate access to reviews and ratings that give you an in-depth understanding of a business's reputation. This information isn't just data, it's a roadmap that guides you to offer additional targeted, high-value services like reputation management to help you put even more money in your pockets. Feature 10. Website Presence Checker. Discover even more upselling opportunities with our Website Presence Checker. Knowing whether a prospect has an existing website isn't merely informational, it's a gateway to offering additional services like paid advertising, chatbot implementations, or email campaigns. The second a business lead ticks this box, your potential services get a whole lot bigger. Feature 11. Instant Messenger Connection. Easily slip into your lead's comfort zones using our Instant Messenger Connection feature. With just a simple click, you're connected via Messenger, all set to start those meaningful conversations. Chat with them where they're most relaxed, and watch those discussions naturally turn into profitable business relationships. Feature 12. Preloaded Messenger Cold Outreach Scripts. Sometimes the first step is the hardest, so we've loaded your arsenal with pre-crafted, attention-grabbing messenger scripts. Not just templates, but well-thought-out, persuasive scripts designed to initiate meaningful conversations. Imagine having the perfect message at your fingertips to turn leads into interested prospects. Feature 13. Seamless integration with external tools. Prospectr isn't just a standalone powerhouse, it's a versatile team player that effortlessly fits into your existing digital setup. Want to export your carefully curated list of top-notch leads? With a simple click, you can transform them into CSV format, ready to sync with third-party autoresponders. Need to impress a client or sell the leads to a lead gen agency? You can also export leads into a polished PDF, making data sharing look as pro as possible.